Buang! Buang! Woohoo! Mamutag, mga best mga bay.
I'm not looking.
Mamutag sa nitanan. Karong adlaw namin diri sa Bantayan Island. Diri gyapon sa Cebu.
We have to do it again.
No.
I'm not looking at the lens.
It's fine.
Okay.
Gikan mi sa Moalboal. We spent 2 weeks there. Kapoy kayo every day. Sige kami naglaag, so it's nice
See?
to be here in
Look at these.
Bantayan.
Look at these bags. Thank you, Marble.
Just chill. And so yeah, we took, it was like 4 to 5 hours by car.
With Nucky in the back. But it was actually pretty good.
Yeah, it was pretty good. And then like another hour on Super Shuttle. So shout out to Super Shuttle for getting us here safely.
Thank you, Super Shuttle. We love you.
Yeah, so you can just drive your car right onto the ship and then just chill.
Yeah, chill. And then within an hour, you're right there in Santa Fe.
Boom, panes. We're here at Santa Fe
Beach Club. Yeah, so right next to the port, which was super convenient. We were sick of driving, so it was great that it's like right next door. We're here for a few nights, but so far we've just been chilling by the beach.
But it's been nice to just relax finally.
So nice.
So thank you so much, Santa Fe Beach Club, for hooking it up for the first 3 days here.
Thank you for hosting us. Thank you for the amazing food.
Yes.
We're having breakfast right now,
Check
actually.
it out. Boom. Ham, chicken,
What?
bread.
That's not chicken. It's eggs.
Yeah, from the chicken.
Oh.
And she got the best mango float.
I got booba.
Filthy.
This is my mango waffle overload or something like that. But I had it yesterday. It was amazing. It's waffles, obviously, some mango, some like mango creamy stuff, and almonds, which I love.
So good.
Or almonds, is that what they say? So what's going on?
Alright, so we're heading to Paradise Beach.
Yep.
And supposedly one-way di siya. So we got pulled over by the traffic police and we're getting a ticket. So wala na mo nakita ang sign.
Fine. 100 is ra.
Sige.
Kalau sa tricycle pa rin dyan.
Asa mo bayad?
Dito sa.
Alright, so that was an awesome start to the day.
But at least,
It was only 200 pesos.
Yeah.
Thank goodness.
yeah.
But
So we know that's a lot for some people, but compared to our fines in our countries,
$200,
Dollars,
not
yeah.
200 pesos.
so
Sus medio sip. Anyways, we're gonna, you know, good vibe tribe yapon. We're gonna send it off this cliff right now. We are here at the ruins. Murag Gupa ng Balay. I don't even know what the heck this house is, but there's a
Yeah.
lot of spray paint. And
yeah, lots of graffiti and a whole bunch of local kids jumping off the cliff. So we're gonna, well, I may or may not jump off a cliff.
oh, she's gonna send it.
We'll see.
All right, let's go. Oh, Miko. Mambag ka? Okay ra?
Sige ko tanaw sa imo vlog.
Tanaw ka? Mambag ka dire?
Ampak.
Mambag? Lalo mo tubig.
Lalo man nabaw na nabaw.
Mabaw ra? Mamutag. Nabaw ni ka?
Nabaw.
Pero magkaambag yapon. Kasi mabali akong TL.
Sino yung ngalan sa inyo?
Si Zoe.
Ah, sige.
Hello. Are you sure it's deep? It looks not.
I think I'm gonna break my legs.
Looks quite shallow. You're standing.
But it's just sand.
Are you ready to break your
I
legs?
think it's just little kids jumping. I'm gonna break my legs.
You gotta.
Suck my legs up.
Yeah, I don't know what to do, but don't backflip.
Gambak mo? Gambak mo dire?
Yeah,
Ikaw kay tanaw kami.
Sakit?
Sakit.
Sa lubot. My goodness, it is 113 degrees Fahrenheit.
so very hot.
Exactly 42 degrees Celsius.
Yeah, we're making that up.
Yeah.
But it's hot. It's hot with a side of hot. But
a-
hey, there's a
little
bit of
bit of wind.
breeze. There's some
Yeah.
breeze. It's nice.
Breezes are great, except when you're vlogging and then...
So sorry if it's.
But yes, we are here. Tapad sa ilang ambakan. Right next to the cliff jump is a ruins. So I don't know what the heck happened to this building. Maybe during a bagyo, I think. Like the house was destroyed and then
Then everyone just drew on it.
just drew on it, yeah.
We show you.
We'll find out why and then we'll put it on our blog, nopostcode.com.
Yeah, so you can know the story.
Check it out, but check it out. Very nice.
Oh, I like this one. There. This guy.
His name's Chad.
Huh. I like this guy.
Ooh.
Hey, it's you.
Discarte.
Bill! Bill!
Bill Nye the Science Guy.
Bill is a lady.
Oh yeah. Bye-bye, Danny.
Why your name's Bill?
Alright, so we are here. Nanami diri sa Paradise Beach. And holy cow, it is bright as. So I met some friends out here. These guys and someone out here. And he's gonna teach me how to spearfish. He's out there already.
What?
Yeah. So I grabbed my mask, just one, and my snorkel, and I'm gonna go out with him. Don't know his name, but I'll be back with info.
Huh?
Let go.
So Carson, hello.
The fish are like this big.
And he can't show you his experience because the GoPro battery is flat, low bat. We forgot to charge it. So I'm just creeping from afar.
Migo! Mangapon!
Mag-convoy na lang tayo patong sa...
Sige, asa ko mag-park?
Adili lang.
Dili lang pwede.
Ikaw na mo sa skateboard. Skateboard.
Stand up, sige.
Tahan ka man.
Salamat. Diri lang.
Oh, diyan lang.
Niapo na mi diri sa, I always forget.
Balidbid Lagoon.
Balibid Lagoon. Yes, we're here with SUP Bantayan, Stand Up Paddleboards Bantayan.
It's this.
Yeah, buddy. Kisa di ay si?
Sure packs.
Sure packs. Oksi guaps. Kisa di?
Kuya Lito.
Kuya Lito.
Yeah.
Siya mo bantay sa sakinan.
We're gonna go take the sups along the lagoon.
Yes.
We'll fly the drone so you can see. It's magical.
This is a fairly new tourist attraction, adventure here in Bantayan.
Yeah, and
We've never done it.
you can do it in different locations. So if you want to book your SUP tour with SUP Bantayan, make sure you message them on Facebook. We'll put it below.
Hey. All right, so we're gonna bust out the drone, send Zoe out there. Basin, kaunon siya sa buyaya. Okay na.
What's buyaya?
Ang bawal.
Bawal.
Her dad thinks bawal is crocodile.
No, there's a story behind it. We have time for it?
We have time, hurry.
Okay, I was at the Manila Zoo with my family when I was maybe 10 years old, and there's signs everywhere. But sorry, there was a sign next to the crocodiles saying "Bawal litter," like don't throw your trash here. And my dad thought that the sign was for the crocodile enclosure next door, so he thought that crocodiles are called bawal. So now I call them bawal. Okay, bye.
Turning down all the city lights. Take my hand and make this life. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Kalooy ni Wing Wing, nang higda, gikapoy. Kay dugay ko nag-drone. Okay na ka diha? Pahuway daw siya. Alright, tell us about your new dog.
My new dog, his name is Buang.
Buang. Because?
He's Buang. He's so hyper. I've never met a dog quite so hyper. But he's very sweet, and I'm gonna feed him some sardines because the tourists used to feed him sardines, but there's no tourists, so he's very niwang.
Niwang, very Salinas, sardines.
Wow. Social si Buang.
It's hard.
Kaya mo yan.
I can't do it.
Check out. Buang! Buang! Woohoo! Oy! He has no brakes. Come on. Napay rice. Grabe.
Tambok. Buang.
Niwang ni siya. Di siya tambok.
Come on, Buang. Slow down. Remain calm. No, I'll put it
This is his first meal since the pandemic.
Okay, you ready?
Are you just gonna put it down in that?
Yep.
Okay.
Go! Yay!
Oh yeah.
Oh my
It's
gosh.
been a while. Shabib.
There you go, Buang. I give you a little extra here.
So if you guys are here in Bantayan and you decide to do the SUP stand-up boards, pay a visit to Buang.
Please.
Maybe buy him some sardines.
Yep. Buy him some sardines. They have some. Look at him. You're short. I thought you were just laying down, but you're short.
Dang, he finished that quick.
Yeah, wow.
Speaking of hunger, we probably got to get back and feed Nuck.
One more.
One more.
One more.
He's looking for more either. You're crazy.
Bisan walay rice? Ako na ipo. Oh, sige. Oh man,
Yeah, yum.
he eats better than I do. Dili sila mo tuon na imo horoton.
God. Oh my. Just go.
All right, we're back. Check out this place. Super sick. We'll see how Naki's doing. Warning, our room is super filthy because there's no excuse.
Zoe. Yeah, there's no excuse.
Hurricane Zoe came through.
Cyclone Zoe. Lucky boy.
Hey!
Oh, remember the light switches. Lucky.
Oh, Zoe's.
Cyclone Zoe.
Zoe's.
Oh, whatever.
Zoe's.
Yeah, whatever.
But check it out. Three
Don't check it out. Show
Three.
them another clip.
beds.
Show
Okay.
them a clean clip.
All right, here you go. That was pathetic. 1 second.
This is Mark, everyone. He's just being cute, so I wanted to show you.
The only time he's nice is when we come home. For 10 minutes, he'll cuddle.
Yeah. If anyone's wondering why he's wearing a jacket,
Nga no diay.
because, well, actually, I bought the jacket so I could walk him, but he hates being walked. He's a cat. Turns out it makes him really calm, and it also restricts his climbing ability.
So we can only trust him with the vest when we leave.
Look at him, he's so cute. Ow, my earring.
All right, so we're gonna show you Naki's diet
Naki's acting like we haven't fed him in a week, but we just fed him this morning.
this morning, and it's nighttime.
Yeah.
We fed him lunch.
Oh yeah, lunch.
All right, so we mix hard food with some soft food. That's why his fur coat looks so beautiful.
Nak, stop eating from the
He's so social. Whiskas Junior.
Oh, yeah, Whiskers Jr. from 2 to 12 months old because he's still a baby.
No.
And it's for his growing... Stop eating! It's for his growing bones.
Watch this.
Oh, hold on, let me... yum.
So we just mix it up. Oh yeah.
He left.
Okay, that's all.
Explain this.
He will only drink from glass. He hates plastic.
So, we have to always use an actual drinking glass for Naki. There you go, Naki.
Usually likes cold water.
Yay!
Alright, so we're gonna finish up this day by having panyapon. There is a Santa Fe Beach Club.
I look like a freak. Look at me!
Alright, so we didn't order too much. We got some corn soup. Can't remember the name.
Sweet corn soup.
Buttered chicken. Too big.
And we have...
This is good.
Okay, we have some dessert coming as well.
Anyways, we're gonna eat now.
Yeah.
So, salamat sa pagtanaw.
Og being Motanan, and we'll see you tomorrow. Well, maybe not tomorrow, but we'll vlog tomorrow and then it'll come out after. Maybe tomorrow. Let's see how long it takes to edit. Bye!
Ayo, ayo.